So the builder that I'm gonna show you this beautiful tour today is Bella Homes. And it's a custom builder here in this beautiful community of Bella Collina. They have amazing products, over 12 different floor plans. But the best part is that you get to customize the entire house from beginning to end. The only thing that Bella Collina requires is that your house is Tuscany style through the outside, just in the outside, but everything inside is completely what you want. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is jbarreiro, your favorite Sirhan agent here in this beautiful state of Florida. Today I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about this amazing community that I'm at. It's Bella Collina, and if you haven't heard of it, which you definitely should, it's one of the most amazing communities here in Florida. It gives you a feeling that you are completely out of Florida and just traveled all over the world to Italy. So it's a Tuscany style community with amazing products. You can have your land or your lot overseeing the golf course, overseeing a lake, or even overseeing the conservation area. Now, come inside and I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit about this builder. As soon as we walk in, we have this amazing open space concept, tall ceilings, beautiful stair railings. And then right through here, we're going to have like a little nook area or office space. And it's a really good size, as you can see here. You can easily fit 2 little chairs for somebody, nice desk, or you can even make this like, honestly, whatever you want. This could be another room, but it is better as an office. You're gonna have this amazing, beautiful, luxury mudroom right next to your garage doors. This is going to be a 2-car garage, but it's going to have that division, and it is actually a pretty nice size car garage. And the reason for that is because it is extended, so you have space between the cars. It's not gonna be super tight. And then you have this little extra space right here just for great storage and basically whatever you want. Now, the rest of the house is going to be on your first floor. You're going to have 1 bedroom that will also have a bathroom and a walk-in closet right after that office. And then as we go this way, you're also gonna have a half bathroom right here. This half bathroom is going to be for your guests or visitors or whoever comes in, so they don't have to have access to the bedrooms, because this house again has a bathroom on each bedroom. So having this half bathroom is a really good idea. This is going to be your first bedroom on the first floor. They're really nice size. They're pretty spacious, lots of lighting coming in, closet and bathroom. I love this house so much just because the ceilings are so tall, the chandeliers. Guys, look at this. One of my favorite things about this developer is they use a lot of wood tones. Of course, it's your house, you get to customize it, but everything is a color, a different color, but it blends in. And having this really warm accent fireplace wall is just amazing. You have your beautiful electric fireplace right through here. Big windows that will open all the way outside, and then you have a huge living space. And then right after our beautiful living area, we're going to have our dining table and dining area, which I love because it's right in front of the big sliding doors that take you to that outside patio, yard with your pool and your outdoor kitchen. But before we get there, let's not get ahead of ourselves. Beautiful area to put a console, decoration, a china. Some people still use those, so it is great to have the space for it. And then one of my favorite things, I am a wine drinker. I love to have my food sometimes with some wine. So you're going to have a little cute wine cellar right here. And then another bar area right through here. This could be your coffee bar, or you can make it and customize it into a regular bar. Now we're going to look at this amazing butler's pantry. It is a little smaller than in other homes, but again, with the shelving and everything, I think it makes great space for you to be able to organize all your groceries and snacks. Now here we're going to have your refrigerator and a long counter to be able to prep and cook and do whatever you want. Really nice size island with that waterfall effect on the granite, so it brings you more elegance and luxury. One of my favorite things about this community that we haven't talked about, it is a gas community. So you're going to get gas stoves on every single property. And I've mentioned this on some of my videos before, but gas in Florida is not really a common thing. So when you find that community that you can actually have gas, it's one of the best things that you could do. And then take a look at how beautiful this backyard is. It is a little smaller, but it's perfect for those families that are looking for low maintenance, a nice sized pool, beautiful gatherings outside, outdoor kitchen, and look at the view to your golf course right back there. And even if you look this way, you literally feel like you're in Italy between the trees and the little hills and mountains. It's just an ambiance, what you're going to get with this community. Now, let's go ahead and start walking upstairs so that we can show you how this amazing master looks in the bathroom. They made something really, really cool and I can't wait to share it with you guys. Let's go. All right, now we're on the second floor and I want you guys to take a look at how the house looks from up here. It is marvelous, it is gorgeous. I feel like I'm on top of the world up here. Even if you ever have guests over, it would just feel like you can greet everybody from up here. It's just amazing. Now, before we keep talking, let's go take a look at this beautiful master bedroom with the French doors. All right, guys. I don't know about you, but this is definitely a view that I could wake up every day to. Having the golf course on the back, my pool downstairs, having a beautiful balcony out there where I can have my coffee, snacks, read a book. I think it's just a really nice setting that this developer did. All right, now as we walk through here, let's make a stop. I know you want to probably see that bathroom, but this is what sells me in a house. Look at how beautiful this closet is made with all the shelvings. I already can envision all my shoes right here, my bags over here, clothing, jewelry. Like, I just absolutely love how spacious and how big and how pretty this walk-in closet is. You can tell that they only do best materials, top of the line materials with this builder. Now, something that I've seen a lot on social and on a lot of developers is this setup when it comes to the shower. And I think it's genius because in this space, you are fitting a beautiful tub, which looks like a tub I had at one of my houses, and I absolutely love it just because of the shape. And then you have still this really big shower with all the nice details. And then remember guys, these houses are 100% customizable. So you pick your finishes, you pick your colors, you pick whatever you want. Now, right through here, we're going to have your standard beautiful vanity for 2 people, double sink vanity, lots of storage right through here, and then you have your regular storage and then your regular storage. Now, we have that tucked in toilet like I call it, and then you're gonna come with me and let's just tour the other bedrooms. All right, before we're done, I am gonna show you the laundry. So I love that the laundry is upstairs, but you also have a pretty sized big laundry because you have your sink right here, storage there, and your 2 beautiful washer and dryers. This is where your AC units are going to be. This house is gonna have 2 AC units, one for downstairs, one for upstairs. So that helps you control the temperature of the home. Again, like I've said this whole time, this developer really pays attention to detail and knows what works. This home is starting at 1.4 million between lot and built. It's a 4-bedroom, 4.5 bathrooms with an office and a pool, where you can still have a pool and a little bit of yard, but your view is amazing. This community has pickleball courts, tennis courts, pool, restaurants, bars, shops, and so much more. This is the community of the elite, like a lot of people call it, where you can come, move in, and if you love golfing, this is your place. They have golf memberships, beautiful golf courses, everything you've ever dreamed of. There's a beautiful lake here too that you can walk around, or where you can take your boat out on a sunny day and have that Florida lifestyle. So if you have been looking for that amazing home here in Florida, but you can't find where, or you don't know enough, comment below, follow us on social. Me and my team will be able to help you out with any questions that you have, but we can only do so if you follow us and comment below. And if not, here are our numbers. See you on the next one.